channel Brush with Bloom. This is Lekha. So today I am sharing this makeup look for upcoming festive season. So festivals are coming and I thought to share a beginner's friendly makeup look, and you can create this look in just 15 minutes by using minimum product. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And now without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so I have cleaned my face and now I am applying toner. This is Good Vibes toner. After toner, I am applying serum. This is also from Good Vibes. And now I am applying moisturizer. This is from Nivea. And now after moisturizer, I am applying sunscreen. Guys, don't skip this step. It's essential for skin. And now to prime my face, I am using primer. This is from Amsterdam. Here I am taking स्टेक की फाउंडेशन और इसके साथ में इल्यूमिनेटर भी मिक्स कर रही हूँ फॉर सम ग्लो. फेस्टिव मेकअप लुक है तो ग्लो तो होना ही चाहिए, राइट? Now I am blending the foundation by using a damp beauty blender. Now time for concealer to hide some dark circle and puffiness. And here I am using by concealer. अभी मैं सेटिंग पाउडर यूज कर रही हूँ अपने अंडर आईज को बेक करने के लिए, और अभी मैं इसको ब्रश से अच्छे से सेट कर लूंगी. So guys, you can create this look in just 15 minutes if you are in hurry or you are beginner and don't know how to do eye makeup. Without any worries, you can create this look. Now I am doing my eyebrows by using my favorite Swiss Beauty eyebrow powder. Let's do eye makeup. So I am going to create a liner, and for this I am using this NYB liner. Okay, so my liner is done, and now to add some color I am going to use this orange brown shade on my lower lash line. And by using this pencil brush, I am applying this orange shade on my lower lash line like this. You can see guys, by adding little color, your look going to pop up. Now to awaken my eyes, I am using golden shimmer on my inner corner. And for mascara, and I am using Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. So this is just one coat of mascara. And I am going to wait for about a minute for it to dry up. And now I am applying second coat just for a fuller and voluminous lashes. And if you want more voluminous lashes, you can check my previous video, beauty and makeup hack, for some easy hacks. I will give link in description box. You can check it there. And now I am just doing a little contour by using this Lekha eyeshadow palette. And then for blush, I am using this lipstick. This is from Lakme. And now by using this brush, I am applying this lipstick as a blush on my cheekbones. And here I am highlighting my face by using the same Swiss Beauty illuminator. Last step is lipstick, and I am using this NYB X Shakti lipstick. And now on top of it, I am using the same Lakme lipstick, and my shade in this is PM10. So guys, our makeup is done, and now I'll get ready and come back in a bit. enjoyed watching this tutorial, you can create this look for Ganesh Chaturthi and other festivals also. Don't forget to like and share this video. Comment down below if you like it. My social handles are given below. You can follow me there for more updates. I will see you.